Okay, world, I have a serious request, and it just involves all of that, just that. So you know how when they say that you keep on trying and never give up, and you get better and better each time? So we just need to get everyone in the world to just keep running, and then never stop Naruto run, because then you get used to the speed limit on Naruto running, which of course is the speed of light. Once you mastered Naruto running and mastered running the speed of light, run even faster. Just keep running, even if you're faster than the speed of light, so you become somehow even faster than the speed of light. And then this is where the thing really starts. This is where everything starts. So the universe travels the speed of light, basically. It expands at the speed of light. I think someone established that earlier. I can't remember what scientist or who said that. But the universe expands in the speed of light. And you know how in Fortnite, when you go on a shopping trolley, and then you can go on a ramp, and then you go in the air, you can just go flying with a shopping trolley. That must mean that it works in real life. So everyone in the world just needs to get a shopping cart and run the speed of light, go on a ramp, and we'll go up. We'll freaking be like the new Marion Poppins, except with a shopping trolley from Fortnite. Amazing. And in Fortnite, you can ride the shopping trolley while riding it in the air. I don't know how it works, but it must mean that it works in real life, because it's Fortnite, and I don't even know where I'm heading with this. But then you can get a donkey, and then you can put more weight in it, and because donkeys give you good luck, then you can go. Then the weight will go on the end of a shopping trolley, and it'll help you keep going up, so it'll make you go up faster. And because you traveled the speed of you know how to travel faster than the speed of light, everyone will just be like Naruto running while holding a shopping trolley with their belly, and then just Naruto running in the speed faster than the speed of light past the universe. And then that's it. We can just travel past the universe. It'll be amazing. Everyone in the world just traveling universe. Bring your best buds, bring your best pals, bring your freaking cat. I don't care. Just come to the end of the universe as us. This is a serious request. Like, we just need to keep trying, never give up. We can find out what is outside of existence, even though it might not exist. But there might be something that exists from outside of existence, from unexistent. Come on, just vision it. Just everyone in the world just taking a scenic excursion from the other side of the universe. That is amazing. That is just fantastic. Seriously though, I'm the new Einstein for coming up with that idea. Admit that. I'm a certified genius.